Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're delving into the exciting developments surrounding Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 16 series. Join us as we uncover how Apple is poised to redefine smartphone photography with its innovative Periscope lenses. Apple is gearing up to introduce cutting-edge Periscope lenses in its upcoming iPhone 16 series. According to industry insiders, Taiwanese manufacturers Largan Precision and Genius Electronic Optical (GSEO) will play pivotal roles in supplying these advanced camera components. These Periscope lenses represent a significant leap forward in mobile photography technology, promising enhanced zoom capabilities and improved image quality. Largan Precision, a key player in optical technology and a longtime partner of Apple, has been instrumental in developing lenses for previous iPhone models, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Their expertise ensures that the upcoming iPhone 16 series will benefit from state-of-the-art optical enhancements. Genius Electronic Optical, although newer to the scene, is making strides with rigorous quality testing for their Periscope lenses. Sources from Digitimes suggest that production is slated to commence by mid-July upon successful testing, marking an important milestone in their collaboration with Apple. Suppliers and production. Largan Precision, renowned for its contributions to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is expected to once again lead production. Chairman Adam Lin anticipates peak sales in optical components from September to November, aligning perfectly with the anticipated release of the iPhone 16 Pro. As the demand for advanced camera capabilities continues to grow among consumers, Largan Precision is poised to meet this challenge head-on. Chairman Adam Lin's projections of peak sales and optical components reflect both confidence in their manufacturing capabilities and alignment with Apple's product launch timeline. Enhancements in camera technology. The tetraprism periscope lens, initially introduced in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, offers unparalleled optical and digital zoom capabilities. With up to 5x optical zoom and an impressive 25x digital zoom, users can expect significant advancements in image stabilization and low-light performance. These enhancements are set to redefine how users capture moments on their smartphones, offering unprecedented clarity and detail even in challenging lighting conditions. The integration of tetraprism technology underscores Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone camera capabilities, promising a transformative experience for iPhone 16 series users. Anticipated upgrades for iPhone 16 Pro. Year after year, Apple continues to push the boundaries of smartphone camera technology. With the iPhone 16 series, enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating even more substantial upgrades. Beyond the introduction of Periscope lenses, speculations abound regarding additional features and improvements that Apple will unveil with the iPhone 16 series. From enhanced computational photography capabilities to advancements in AI-driven image processing, each iteration of the iPhone promises new and exciting innovations that redefine what is possible with mobile photography. Confirmation of new features. Recent reports solidify speculations that the iPhone 16 Pro will inherit the tetraprism periscope lens previously exclusive to the Pro Max model. This enhancement promises to elevate the photography experience on the smaller iPhone 16 Pro. This confirmation reaffirms Apple's commitment to democratizing cutting-edge technology across its product lineup, ensuring that even the iPhone 16 Pro offers users the same high-quality photography experience previously reserved for the larger Pro Max model. iPhone 16 Pro Max camera upgrades. Last year, the iPhone 15 Pro Max received accolades for its impressive 5x zoom capabilities, which convinced many to opt for the larger variant. Speculations now hint that the iPhone 16 Pro Max might introduce groundbreaking camera features, potentially including the coveted 5x optical zoom to elevate photography experiences. Rumors and leaks. Recent leaks have hinted at potential design tweaks for the iPhone 16 series, such as thinner MagSafe rings and a revamped camera module. It's anticipated that the standard iPhone 16 could adopt a vertical camera layout, while the Pro models may see significant upgrades like a larger camera sensor and a dedicated hardware button tailored for photography enthusiasts. Periscope lens technology. Insider reports suggest that Apple is poised to expand the use of Periscope lenses aiming to bring advanced zoom capabilities akin to those found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the iPhone 16 Pro. Key suppliers such as Largan Precision and Genius Electronic Optical are likely pivotal in these advancements. Release and pricing. Traditionally, Apple unveils its latest iPhones in September, and the iPhone 16 lineup is expected to follow suit in 2024, with anticipated enhancements like Wi-Fi 7 support and the integration of Apple Intelligence on devices powered by the S17 chip. There is speculation on potential pricing adjustments to accommodate these new features. Detailed look at iPhone 15 pricing. Over the past years, Apple has maintained consistent pricing for its iPhone range. The iPhone 14 and iPhone 15 models started at $800 for base configurations, with slight increases for the Plus versions, priced at $900. The Pro models continued at $1,000, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max saw a notable increase, now priced at $1,199. Alongside these adjustments, Apple upgraded the base storage option from 128 GB to 256 GB, reflecting their commitment to offering ample storage capacity right from the entry-level models. Predictions for iPhone 16 pricing. Looking forward to the iPhone 16 series, Apple is expected to follow a similar pricing strategy, maintaining stability in the base pricing structure while potentially introducing variations in higher-end models. There are strong indications that an iPhone 16 Ultra model could debut at a higher price point, possibly around $1,200 or more, catering to users seeking premium features and performance. Leaks also suggest a diverse lineup of 5 iPhone 16 models, including an anticipated iPhone Southeast 4, which could serve as an affordable entry point starting at approximately $499. Exciting innovations in the iPhone 16 series. Beyond pricing, the iPhone 16 series promises to introduce several groundbreaking features and enhancements. Rumors suggest that all models will incorporate the Action button, previously exclusive to the Pro versions, enhancing accessibility and user experience across the lineup. Prototypes have hinted at significant improvements in camera technology. Latest updates and developments from Apple, whether it's pricing details, innovative features, or performance enhancements, will keep you informed with comprehensive coverage to help you navigate the dynamic landscape of smartphone technology. Outro. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16 series. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay connected and receive notifications for our future content. Your support means everything to us at Future Phone Flash, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you soon. Until next time.